What is up guys, Alex T back with another video. Today I got a red AirTag holder. This is the real Apple one. I'm going to be replacing it with a $6 one because it's not really that secure. We're going to be doing an unboxing. Before we get started, all I'm just saying is please subscribe, like the video, or comment. You could do any of those or none of those just to make me happy if you do all of them. And yeah, no long intros. We're going to get started right now. And we're going to do this unboxing. So yeah, so I'm going to be replacing this AirTag with this AirTag holder with this one. So let's just start opening it by the top. And I just realized that there is this green tab which is on all Apple products, so I'm just gonna pull it all the way off. It was kind of hard to do this with one hand, but here you go. I just took it off after I ended the clip, and let's see if we could see anything. Yep, I already see that the AirTag holder, it is way better than this one because it has it has a bigger display. Like as you see, the ring is like way bigger. So yeah, pulling it out, it's hard to do with one hand, but here it is. So I'm gonna be pulling it out. It is hard to do with one hand, so I have to do this, and here it is. Here is the Apple AirTag holder, and as you can see, it is like way bigger and better. And there is the Apple logo. It got some scratches. There's me with the iPhone 7. Probably need an upgrade soon, but here is the case, and here's the new one. The most satisfying part of any Apple product is like taking it out of the packaging. Just listen to this. So here we go. We got one of these peeling things. So let's just see if it comes off easily, or I have to turn off the camera to do it. It was way harder than I expected. I had to like completely get that off. And sorry if you guys see this, I am like filming on a big bin with like a bunch of jackets and clothes inside. But yeah, here it is. So we're gonna be taking this one off, and we're gonna see how it looks like. So I just took it out of this one. I'm gonna be taking it off or probably returning it on Amazon. It was $6, so I don't really care about it. But here you go. I'm pretty sure you could just open it. Let's flip this the other way and just slide it in like that. And there is the AirTag. I'm pretty sure I put it in the correct way. Now I just need to buckle it. And there it is. Sorry if you guys hear that in the background. That is my brother raging on Fortnite because, you know, he's a Fortnite kid. But here it is. The iPhone 7. You can see in the reflection. That's how I know it's clear. And here it is. It looks pretty good. It's way better than this old one. And it actually adds some color to it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. There's really nothing else inside her. There's just some paperwork, and there's just this. And yeah, here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the review. It's pretty good, secure, way more higher quality than this one. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you all in another video.